It's been a year since Liberation Day, the day after Liberation Day, April 3rd, 2025. And if you'd like to know why I'm not freaking out about my portfolio dropping $25,000 since the beginning of the year, stick around, I'll show you. Things were worse. Not financial advice, I'm sharing my personal journey. The market was not too happy about what was announced, so there was a drop all across the board. My portfolio gave up 7.25% that day on April 3rd, 2025, as you can see. Good afternoon, I'm Patrick, a disabled investor. It's April 3rd, 25, and today I'm down a lot of money, as are many other people. Closed the day at $72,700 thereabouts, which is over 7.25% lower than I was yesterday. It was uncomfortable to say the least. Here we are a year later, and so far this year, my portfolio is down 16%, including my tax-free savings account. So you would think I'm not too happy with what's going on. You were right. I'm not too happy with what's going on. War in the Middle East, war in Ukraine, you know, tension all around the world, gas prices going up, food prices going up. You know, it's not great. But last year I gained 50% of my portfolio. The year before I was up 66%. So this year being down 16% means that if I average those 3 years, my average return has been 34% per year so far, which to my mind isn't so bad. And considering that on that particular day, April 3rd, 2025, my portfolio finished the day at $72,000, and here we are a year later to the day, and I'm at $171,307. I have six figures to not complain about. You know, I'm satisfied. Things are likely going to be bumpy going forward, I think, unless there's some miraculous resolution to the war over the weekend, which Easter weekend, I'm not expecting. I think next week's going to be bumpy again, but I'm still up $100,000 since last April 3rd. So, yeah, Liberation Day sucked. The month that followed it kind of sucked. I'm glad that's over, but I got $100,000 to not complain about more in my registered disability savings plan this year, thanks to, just staying the course. So if you're nervous about what's going on, just bear it in mind. Time compounds and things get better.